discuss C solution to LeetCode problem number 1650, lowest common ancestor. Before we discuss, please share, like, subscribe, and hit on the bell button for notifications. Also, I'm adding a lot of LeetCode quizzes to the community page. Please check it out. Now, back to the problem, lowest common ancestor. So you are given nodes P and Q, and you have to find out like what are the do they have a common meeting point when you go up the tree. So for example, in this case I ran the case where P is 2, node 2, and then Q is node 7. So obviously the where they meet is at root 1, and that will be the lowest common ancestor for 2 and 7. So the logic is if they are disjoint, then there won't be any common ancestor. But if they are, it's a joint tree like how it is this one, then they will have all the nodes will have a common ancestor. So now you start off with assigning A to P and then B to Q. This solution, by the way, is almost similar except for some syntactical differences between C and C++. And so while A is not equals to B, so you keep traversing. A is to A parent and then B goes to B parent. So in this case 2 goes to 1 and then 1 goes to null, and B starts off at 7 and goes to 3 and then goes to 1. But there is a trick here. So if A becomes null, then A starts off at Q, and then B becomes null, B starts off at P. So there is a switcheroo going on. Originally A is assigned to P, but here once it becomes null, A is assigned to Q. So you start from A starts off at 2 and then goes to 1, gets to null, and then starts off at 7. So B does the same thing. B goes from 3 to 1 to null and then starts off at 2. So I ran this code for this tree. If you see nodes, initial ones both are node 2 and then node 7 from P and Q, and then P from A goes to 1 and then B goes to 3, and then A becomes null, and then A goes to 7 again. Here it goes, and then B is at 1 and then B goes to negative, and then P goes to A goes to 3, and then B goes to 2, and then in the next shot they meet at 1. So that is the lowest common ancestor. So let me know if you have any comments or questions, and otherwise I will see you in the next video. Bye.